Hello guys. Today we will be discussing about what is Docker, what are the challenges associated with VM, what are containers and why do we need them. In today's world, Docker is becoming more and more popular and seems like every company is keeping eye on it. But what is the reason why it is gaining so much popularity? In our previous video, we have seen VM have solved our problems related to hardware abstraction, isolation and server consolidation. However, VM come with their own set of challenges such as resource inefficiency, slow boot times, and limited portability. So, here comes the Docker to address the challenges faced by our traditional approach. So, here comes the question, what is Docker? Docker is an open source platform for building, deploying, and managing containerized application. Again, we come with a new word which is container or containerized application. So, what is container? In short, a container is isolated user space which can be used for deploying your application. Consider the diagram to have a generalized overview difference between our traditional approach and containerized approach. In traditional approach, we have hypervisor over infrastructure to create VM which will be used for deploying and managing our application. Whereas here we use container engines to run our containers and Docker is one of that container engine. So let's deep dive into challenges faced by our traditional VM. First is resource efficiency. Traditional VM are heavyweight because they include a full operating system along with the application and its dependencies. This duplication of OS consumes significant resources such as disk space, memory, and CPU. On the other hand, Docker share the host kernel OS, which result in much lighter resource utilization. This efficiency allows you higher density of containers on same hardware, leading to cost saving and improved performance. Portability. VMs are less portable compared to Docker containers. VM typically require conversion between different hypervisor format when moving between environments, leading to compatibility issue and potential performance overhead. On the other hand, Docker containers encapsulate application and their dependencies into standardized format, making them portable across different environments with minimum efforts. This portability ensures container behave regardless of underlying infrastructure. Deployment speed. Booting a VM involves loading entire OS, which can take minutes. In contrast, Docker containers start almost instantly because they leverage the host kernel OS and load only application and its dependencies. Speed and agility. Docker enables rapid application deployment and scaling with containers starting almost instantly compared to VM, which takes minutes to boot up. This agility is crucial for modern development practices where you require fast iteration. Microservice architecture. Docker is well suited for microservices architecture where applications are composed of loosely coupled, independent, deployable components. Container provides isolation between them and make it easier for deployment and scale them. This image concludes and help you to better understand what are the challenges faced by VM. Hope above video help you in better understanding pros and cons of using Docker and VM. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you.